Well, hello friends. Welcome to another episode of Analyzing the Markets with Flores. Excuse me. So we're going to start analyzing some of the pairs for this week. Please always remember to check for news. What are going to be the high impact news for this week that can alter the way of your trades? Because you might be right on your trades, but if the news are come in, and it can definitely pull your trades the wrong way. So check for news. Always one of the places that I choose is Forex Factory, and you look into calendar, and we'll tell you day by day exactly what are the red news or red carpets, which are the strongest ones that it can move the market. As you can see on the screen, I have the new, or in addition, I will say for simplicity, there's too easy. It's not a scanner, but it gives you the momentum of the price pretty much in different pairs, and it's the first week that I'm gonna try it, so I'm gonna let you know how it's working so much. It's good for real good for scalping and for long trade trades also. But we're gonna start trying. So let's look at the markets. I'm gonna look for the major pairs right here and see what we're expecting for them. I always like to start on the 4-hour, pretty much. AUD USD 4-hour, we have already a triple arrow pointing up. If I look at the daily on this one, daily it's in a downward momentum, but the 4-hour is starting to do pretty much the way I see the markets is this way. Let me go back to the 1 day. Normally the market is going to do a consolidation, obviously. Did a 1, 2, 3 move down, and maybe the market is going to do a move up this week. That's what we're expecting. But we can always have a lower low here. All depends. Let's look at this move right here. I like this MACD also. I like the way it looks, but this low and this low, we don't have a divergence yet. So we can always have a lower low. That is not 100% guaranteed, but we're going to see what the market does. Okay, and we're going to be testing this also. What we have so far is just the market in the right now is just telling us to sold, sell everywhere. And we're going to see how this develops. But so far, there's nothing here. Okay, if you go to the 15-minute, there's definitely a sell all the way. So we got to wait for the markets to start turning around to look for any trades on the audio USD. But for now, there's I don't see nothing yet. So there's a 4-hour. Let's go to the Euro USD. Euro USD started rising up last week, and it's way up. Let's go to the 1-hour. We're going to see this week, what we're expecting to see is this retracement down. And this can be a good trade. Obviously, that is against the trade. But if I start getting reds, at least this 30 and 15-minute complete reds, and if you get the hour, even more, I mean, it will be a good trade. And that's why it's good to have this, because it's a quick reference to see overall where the market at that moment is in those hours. Okay, so we're going to be trying that this week. So this is what we're going to be waiting for this week, pretty much, maybe a few pips down. I also have the two moving averages right here. I'm going to look for the cross. One example, it could be this one right here. Let me go back and see if I see an example from the past. something like this. What we're looking with this indicator right here is to have the arrow, obviously. Once you get that, you look down, see if the momentum is above the 50%, and if the MACD, the special MACD, it's above the zero line. And after that momentum, I look at this, and I have green, solid green, and 15 solid green in 30 and 1 hour. That's almost a guaranteed trade at that point. So that's what we're looking for. Okay. Just wanted to give you an example how this indicator is working. Now, this indicator, just because I know some of you guys are going to ask, you can buy this indicator, and then it comes with the momentum. It comes with the MACD. You can add this to the moving averages, and you can trade just with the moving averages also. And it crosses the moving averages, and it comes with this I don't know what they call it. I guess a scanner, but it's rendering. I mean, Uncle P's been using this for already 2 or 3 months at least, since the beginning of the year, with an amazing results. Okay, so this is going to be a game changer. So what only just for $99 you can get this one payment for life. And the only thing you don't get, obviously, is a simplicity regular indicator, which is this arrows right here, and sell and buy zones. That's the simplicity indicator, but since we're owners of that already, we can mix them, and it creates powerful. But I'm going to be trading just this week without the arrows, just with the crossing. I'm going to be checking them. See, I'm pretty sure it works the same way, because once you get this, this, and then across, it's very self-explanatory. Just the arrows, just it tells, hey, it's a good time. It's a visual presentation, clearly for us, But just the crossing, all indicators, they are based on the price. All the indicators, but this one is telling us what's happening in different time frames and with bar per bar. So it's good to have it at the moment, okay? At the trade. So that's your USD. That's what we're going to wait to see if we get a trade over here for a few pips. And we only going to go for a few pips because we are going against the trend, against the 4 hour. Okay, so I'm talking about this move right here on the 30 minutes. Right here. Okay. GBP/USD. Check that one out. Okay, GBP/USD. Let's look at the 4 hour. See where we are. Okay, there's nothing yet. We're still developing to the bottom. And when it's already developed like that, we don't have a 4 hour down here. So, but during the week, if the 4 hour shows up, we're going to be putting attention to look for buys after that. Okay, let's look at USD CAD. USD CAD 4 hour. We're in the middle right there. If anything, I will look for buys on this on the lower time frames. Let's see, 30 minutes. I'll wait for this 30 minutes to go all the way down and then give us a buy signals with the scanner, with the MACD, and also the momentum, and we'll buy it. It's not there yet. NCD USD. Okay, that one looks better. You have a 4 hour arrow already there in position, and we'll get it down to 30 minutes or 15 minutes. Yeah, definitely wait until we get a 30 minute anywhere down here to buy it. But you can see these right here. This is all telling us buy. It's all a buy. And if we get an arrow and we're lower over here or here, we'll definitely get buy also. Okay, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's look at this one also. I'll give JPY. Let's go to 4 hours. 4 hours. We are have it for arrow coming down. This is a pullback before the continuation. We had the 1 hour continuation coming down there. 30 minutes. And the 30 minutes, we still got to move up. And this one, I'd rather have it 30 minutes coming down. Going with the 4 hour. Going with the 4 hour arrow. Waiting for that 30-minute arrow to show anywhere over here. And if I have the momentum on my side, if I have this and this, that is easy money to be done. If you have all that, just got to wait for that. Just a little bit more. Okay, friends, and I'm not going to take a lot of your time today. Please subscribe if this is the first time you see this video. Welcome to the program. This is a brand new indicator that we have right here. It's called the Too Easy. I invite you to see it. You can see some results with Uncle P. He has several videos on this indicator. This indicator is a very good price, only $99, and it's life-changing indicator. It's real good. Again, doesn't come with these arrows and this blocks right here, but trust me, you don't need it. You get all this right here. Momentum, MACD. You can just trade with this one with the crosses in this. Go by this, and you're good. You're real good. I'm gonna have the links below the. One second here. I'm gonna have the links below the videos. So if you want to acquire any of those, either the Simplicity indicator or the Too Easy indicator, you can buy them like that. Okay. And if you do, please let me know through Telegram. And if you have any questions or comments, please put them on the comments. Hit that like notification so you can help the algorithm of this channel, please. Thank you so much. You guys have a safe day. I'll see you guys back on Wednesday, so we can analyze this. We're going to see the results of testing this indicator right here too, and see how we do with it. Okay. Thank you very much. God bless you all.